Diagnostic. Here we have 2008 C300. We already changed the engine. The steering lock module is located here in this place. We took it out. You see, this place here is located here. Wogov is located in this place, and we took it out. We're gonna put this thing back. Okay, how to put it back is very simple. Try to go in here. You see here, and I believe you have to go like this. I don't remember how we take it out, but this have to go all the way there. Or, okay, remember this have to go all the way here. Or go like this. You see, go like this here. Okay, and see, go here like this, and come up this way. So you see here, come back, about. Go back and show the people the picture how it's going. So you go like this, take it like this, okay? Go slowly this way, go down inside this way. So that means, and then from there try to play with it slowly till it's come out this way. As soon as it's come out, now we are good. But try to be sure. Look here, all the way there. You see here, we have a place where the thing have to go. So try to be sure that it's going into the right position. Okay, turn the steering column left and right till you get the place where it's supposed to go in. If you don't get it in, okay, let me see here. It have a place. Okay, give me only I need the light now. Okay. Give me this one here.
Keep coming straight.
I have to close the door then.
Keep going straight.
Let me go out. Huh?
You can't go like that. You have two axes.
Okay, خلينا ناخد فارس. Let's try to put the thing. I didn't like. I want to see where the screws are.
Move your foot.
No, I gotta go out.
ده ما ضرب تليفونك لانه خدت المسامير اهو. You have to put at least two screws to hold down the.
You have to put this screw and this screw at least to hold down the.
كلهم same size.
Yeah, we're gonna put one left, one right. No, it's not same side. Look here. Some of them look like different. I don't know which one is, but look, this one look different. This one also different. You see, this one different. Maybe this is at the front, this is at the back, but there is a place. We have. I don't know why. Oh, this one here is for the steering lock. Those three supposed to be also in a different places. You see those? Maybe this two in the front and this at the back. I'm gonna try to see. And this have to go back to. So I believe this is the piece. gonna put this one and go with it first. Okay, let me get it around. Let me try to light on machine. That's a wind down light too. Okay. Back in here now. Hold this for me like this.